Welcome back dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the Maharashtra State Board, that is HSC question paper pattern according to the weightage of learning objectives, difficulty level of question and the type of questions. Then we are also going to discuss the paper pattern, weightage of the chapters. So please watch the full video for proper guidance. So let us start our today's video. Now first page, that is according to the guidelines of Maharashtra State Board. The weightage according to the learning objective. First, knowledge based questions will be with option for 29 marks, that is percentage of the knowledge based question will be 30. Then second is understanding based questions will be total weightage of 41 marks with option, that is 42% of the paper. Then third is application and skill based questions objectives, that is for 28 marks with options, that is 28%, means total 98 marks with options, that is 100%. So this is the types of objective which is based on knowledge, understanding and application skills, which are divided according to the percentage of difficulties. Second is according to the difficult level of questions. Now first is easy level. Total weightage with option will be of 29 marks, that is 30% again. Then average questions will be for 49 marks with options, that is 50%. And difficult questions with option will be for 20 marks, that is 20%. Again with options there are total 98 marks, that is 100%. Then third is the weightage according to the types of questions. Now here the types of questions in the question paper pattern is MCQ, very short answer, that is first for 2 marks each, then short answer, that is second for 3 marks each, and then long answer. So let us begin with the MCQ 1 mark each. Number of questions will be 1 to 10, that is total 10 marks. Then second question is very short answer, 1 mark each. Now question number 2, questions will be 1 to 8, 1 mark each, that is total 8 marks. Then third question will be short answer, that is 2 marks for each question, that will be the question number 3 to 14, 24 marks. Here each question will carry 2 marks for correct answers. Then next question is short answer again, question number 2, that is 3 marks each. It will be from question number 15 to question number 26. Here correct answer of each question will carry 3 marks. It is total for 36 marks. Then last is the long answer. It is 4 marks each, question number 27 to question number 31, total 20 marks. Right answer carry 4 marks each. Okay. So total number of questions are 31 questions and total marks will be 98, that is with options. Next, now question paper format for the annual examination, that is the board exam. Okay, time will be 3 hours, total marks will be 70. Now let us see first the journal instruction. Section A will contain 10 multiple choice questions which is of 1 mark each. In section A only, question number 2 will be very short answer which carry 1 mark each. Then section B will be from question number 3 to question number 14, that is short answer type questions carrying 2 marks each. Okay, then section C will be from question number 15 to question number 26, that is short answer type carrying 3 marks each. Means both are short answer only, section B and section C, but section B question will be for 2 mark each and section C question will be for 3 mark each. Then next, moving ahead to section D is question number 27 to question number 31 are the long answer type carrying 4 marks each. Okay, now this is biology. As you all know, figures to the right indicate full marks. You have to see according to the question they will be asked in the question paper. You have to draw the figure whether it is required or not. Then for each MCQ, correct answer must be written along with the alphabet. As you always have been told, we have to write the alphabet along with the correct answer. If you are just going to write the alphabet, the marks will not be considered for it. So you have to write the alphabet along with the answers. Only first attempt will be considered for evaluation. If you are going to write 2 or 3 answers or options for a single MCQ question, only the first attempt will be considered for evaluation purpose. Okay, now let us discuss this in further detail. Section A, that is question number 1. Select and answer the correct question, that is from 1 to 10 MCQ questions which carry 10 marks. You have to write the correct answer alphabet and the answer. Okay, then question number 2 in section A is answer the following. It is very short answer. Okay, from 1 to 8. It carry 8 marks, again 1 marks each. Then next is section B, attempt any 8. This is short answer, question number 3 to 14. Each question carry 2 marks. Okay, here you have got an option out of question 12 questions are there. You have to attempt any 8 questions, that is 2 mark each, that is for 16 mark. Then next is section C, question number 15 to question number 26. Again you have got an option of attempt many 8 over here. Okay, 3 mark each for the right answer, that is for 24 marks. So section C is for 24 marks. Then last is section D, attempt many 3, that is question number 27 to question number 31. This is the long answer. You have to write a brief explanation about the answer. Okay, here also you have to attempt any 3 questions, that is for 4 marks each, that is 12 marks. So this is basically the question paper pattern. Then next is chapter wise distribution of marks. Now unit wise, first unit is reproduction. Reproduction chapter are reproduction in lower and higher plant, and chapter number 2 reproduction in lower and higher plant. Okay, so marks are with option is 8 marks. Okay, for both the chapters. Then unit 2 is genetic and evolution. Inheritance, chapter number 3 is inheritance and variation, 4 is molecular basis of inheritance, and 5 is origin and evolution of life. All the 3 chapters carry 6 marks each with options, and without options 4 marks each. Okay, so these are basically easy chapter to learn which carry 6 marks each with options. Okay, then next is unit 3, which is very important unit according to the weightage. Okay, so chapter number 6 is plant water relation, which carry 7 marks with options, and plant growth and mineral nutrition, which again carry 7 marks with options. Respiration and circulation, which carry 10 marks with options, and control and coordination, which is again for 11 marks with options. Okay, so students, here unit 3, that is physiology, has the more weightage, that is total 35 marks weightage is there. In itself for 35 marks is for unit 3 physiology. Okay, so major weightage from unit 3 is there. To please study unit 3 properly, all the concepts should be clear to you. Okay, so please go through it nicely. These are the major chapter which carry major weightage in the paper. Okay, then next is applied biology of unit 4. Here human health and disease carry 4 marks with option and 3 marks without option. Enhancement of food production carry 6 marks with option and 4 marks without option. Biotechnology carry 7 marks, okay, with option and 5 marks without option. All these 3 chapters are totally carrying 17 marks with option. It is very easy chapter. You can easily learn this chapter. All the concepts are also very easy to understand. So please go through it nicely. Next is unit 5, ecology and environment. 13, chapter number 13, organism and population carry 4 marks with option and 3 marks without option. 14, ecosystem and energy flow, again carry 3 marks with option. 4 marks with option and 3 marks without option. Biodiversity, conservation and environmental issue, again carry 4 marks with option and 3 marks without option. Again students, unit 5 is also very easy to learn. You can just go through it and you will be able to understand all the environmental concepts and ecological concepts very easily, as it is the environmental issues and biodiversity conservation are the environmental issues are basically the day-to-day problems we are dealing with, global warming. So you can easily go through the chapters and you will be able to understand the concept really easily. Okay, so the total marks with options is 98 and without option is 70. I hope this video will be helpful for you all to study nicely. Okay, so please take this video as a reference purpose for your study, and all the best for your papers. Thank you.